Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are bringing you outside the kitchen. We are going to make some lovely masala fry chicken in open fire. We got our fire going and I'm going to get started by braising. First I'll go through my ingredients. I have soft chicken, which is 1.5 kg. I washed and cleaned. Here I have 2 sets of onions. So this is 2 small onions that are sliced for the braising and 2 small onions to throw after the braising done. I also got 2 small tomatoes, half a cup of oil to braise. And for my masalas, I have 2 tablespoons of mixed masala, 1 tablespoon of pure chili powder, 1 teaspoon of hurdee, 1 teaspoon of chicken spice, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of rough salt. And I also have here 1 piece of cinnamon stick. I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've got some lovely fresh thyme to braise and some lovely fresh curry leaf and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic. This is going to be a dry chicken braise and it's going to take on the flavor from the smoke of the fire. Here I have a pot which I can use on the outside fire. Firstly, I apply some handy on the outside so the washing won't be hard. Put my pot onto the heat. My pot has heated up and I'm just going to add in my half a cup oil to the pot. I'm going to add in my onions. And I'll allow this onion to fry out light brown. My onions are brown. To my onions, I'm going to add in my ginger garlic, my thyme, and my curry leaf. And also my cinnamon stick. My pot is burning a little more with the flames, so I'm just going to move it slightly to avoid my masalas from burning. I'm going to add my masalas from one side. Give this a nice mix. I'll quickly grab my chicken. Now I'll add in my chicken. Give this chicken a nice stir. And this is very soft chicken I'm using, so it's going to cook up very quickly. I've also got 2 cups of water, just in case if I need to add some water for it to cook properly. 3 minutes has passed. You can see my masala coated in with my chicken pieces. To this I'll add my salted and also my tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of my lemon juice. And again, I'm going to give it a nice stir. I'm going to put my lid to the pot and I'm going to allow this to cook until my tomatoes are cooked. My tomatoes are cooked out, and through the fry I'm just going to add in maybe a cup of water to allow the chicken to cook. I'll give this about 10 minutes. Here's a trick for cooking soft chicken on the outside fire. You don't usually stir with a spoon, but you continue to turn your pot around. You'll get an even heat, and also your chicken won't get broken to pieces. As you can see, my cup of water is cooked out, and now I'm ready to garnish with my onions, and I'll allow these onions to also cook. I'll give this a quick turn. The pieces are still whole. I'll give this another 8 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed and I've been checking on my chicken fry. Now it's done. As you can see how beautifully it's cooked. I'm going to take my curry back inside to my kitchen, and then I am ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely chicken braise that was done on the outside fire. We are serving our chicken with some lovely salad on the side and freshly made roti. When we lived in Newlands, this is one recipe that we always like to do, whether it was a soft chicken or the Cornish chicken. Cooking on the outside fire, that's the best meal you can have. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.